Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Remax of Georgia, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by determining your total monthly income. Include all sources of income, such as salary, freelance work, or investments. Next, list out all of your monthly expenses. Separate them into fixed expenses, like rent or mortgage, and variable expenses, like groceries or entertainment. Calculate the total for your fixed expenses. Then, calculate the total for your variable expenses. Add your total fixed and variable expenses together to find your total monthly expenditures. Now, subtract your total expenses from your total income. This will give you a clear picture of your disposable income. If your expenses exceed your income, it's time to re-evaluate your budget. Identify areas where you can reduce spending, focusing on variable expenses first. Consider setting limits on discretionary spending categories, like dining out or shopping. Once you have a balanced budget, decide how to allocate any surplus funds. You can put some towards savings, investments, or even debt repayment. Establish specific savings goals, such as an emergency fund or future purchases. To ensure consistency, track your expenses throughout the month. Utilize budgeting tools or apps to help monitor your spending in real time. Review your budget regularly to make adjustments as needed. This will help you stay on track as your financial situation changes. Budgeting is an ongoing process, so be patient with yourself. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to effective budgeting with Remax of Georgia. Embrace this journey towards financial stability and make the most of your resources. Remember, effective budgeting can open the door to new opportunities and peace of mind. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.